The 2025 Mercedes-Benz A-Class continues to impress with its blend of luxury, performance, and modern technology. This latest version refines its exterior design while improving efficiency and driving dynamics, making it an even more appealing choice in the premium compact segment. The exterior design remains sleek and sporty, with a few subtle yet significant updates. The front grille is now bolder, featuring a larger Mercedes-Benz emblem and an intricate diamond pattern design. The LED headlights are sharper and more angular, giving the car an aggressive yet elegant look. Smooth body lines enhance aerodynamics, while the rear features new taillight graphics and a redesigned bumper for a more refined presence. Buyers can choose from multiple alloy wheel designs, with options ranging from 17 to 19 inches, further enhancing its stylish appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 A-Class offers a range of powertrain options. The base model features a 1.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering a smooth yet efficient drive. For those seeking more power, the AMG variants come equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing up to 300 horsepower. A dual-clutch automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the available 4MATIC all-wheel drive enhances traction and stability. Mercedes has also integrated mild hybrid technology, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. The suspension system strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness, making it ideal for both city driving and highway cruising. Inside, the cabin is a true highlight, offering a premium feel with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The latest MBUX infotainment system takes center stage with a dual-screen setup, featuring a customizable digital instrument cluster and a responsive touchscreen interface. Wireless charging, a premium Burmester sound system, and ambient lighting elevate the luxury experience. Comfort is key, with well-padded seats available in high-end upholstery options. Rear passenger space is adequate for a compact car, and the trunk provides sufficient capacity for everyday needs. Safety is also a priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. Pricing for the 2025 A-Class starts at approximately $38,000 for the base model, with AMG versions exceeding $50,000 depending on options. This competitive pricing places it as a strong contender in the luxury compact segment. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz A-Class delivers a compelling mix of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver or a sporty compact, this car has plenty to offer.